sometimes the x that you want to make the subject, again the subject here, okay, the x that you want to make the subject is being trapped inside a square root sign or maybe a cube root sign, for example here. Then what do? It's being trapped inside. We use the opposites to free it up, to rescue it out. Okay, opposite of cube root is a cube, so we use the opposite of cube root. Cube root is a cube, so we cube both sides. Make sure you do the same thing on both sides. Cube, opposite of cube root. If it's square root, then opposite of square root will be square. Okay, then you square both sides. For example, it's cube root, so you use cube both sides. Cube and cube root will cancel each other, so these two will be gone. This cube and cube root will be gone. So you're left with xy over 5a. This one you must cube everybody, so p become p cube, s also become s cube. This is using the trick of opposites. The cube root, opposite of cube root is a cube, so they can free up our x. See, now x is no longer trapped inside a cube root sign. And the later on, of course, you use the other skill that we have learned. Kick the further one away first. This is the further group. Divide by 5a become times 5a. Then this is our p cube s cube. Kick it over to the other side. Denominator kick first. So we have an xy here. Got rid of the denominator by moving the denominator away. Right? The skill that we have learned. And then this is x times y. We want x to be alone, so kick y away. This is times y. Bring over become divide by y. So we have p3 s2 the a. Normally the number we put in front, so we put in front. It doesn't matter which sequence you put actually, but it looks nicer that way, so we just follow tradition. X alone, that's our answer.